Okay, I'm back to this home site for my second trip, and I just got another toe tap, my third one. Solid 48 on the AT Pro. I also got a bit of a piece of a pewter spoon handle. A few minutes before this, I didn't film it, but it's only been here 20 minutes, and I'm already starting to get the relics, so it's going to be a pretty good day. 3 minutes later, another toe tap. This one rang up a 52 on the AT Pro. The other one was a 48. Okay, so it's just looking like a good day. All right, moving on. I see why this rang up a 52 instead of 48. Look at this, still got the nails in it. Very interesting. Sitting right on the surface, the detector picked it up, and it's my first table knife. It's bent, but it's an old one. Nice human relic. Clean that up later, and I'll post it in the video. All right, cool. It's been a great day so far. Moving on, man. Solid 48 AT Pro. Got my first thimble out of this field. It's a little beat up, but it's a nice old one. Nice green patina. Okay, a little gem. Back to it, man. I decided to take a walk down the back hill where the house was, and I'm getting no iron down here, so it's quite a ways away from where the house was, but I'm getting a real strong 81 to 82 here. Clean too, not much junk around it, no uneven sound, so I'm going to give this a go. Let me shut this off and do a dig. Live dig, hang on. Okay, it's in this chunk here. Bullet casing, I think. That makes sense as far as it goes, I guess. Alright. It's not a bullet case. I don't know what this thing is, but I'll look at it later. Maybe it's something interesting, who knows. Well, I got a really solid, clean 62 sound here out of this hole. And I broke it apart and found it's in this chunk here. So let's see what this is. Okay, moving on. Well, I'm finishing out my afternoon for my third visit at the house on the knob. And I'm down the hill from where the house was up there, and I just got this really cool old medallion. It looks religious, you know. I'm not sure if it's St. Christopher's or what. I'll do some research on it, but it's pretty old, so it's pretty cool find. And again, right back here, it's the old schoolhouse. So you can imagine kids walking from this house down to the school at one point to just attend school. So pretty cool find for my first 5 minutes of my third visit here. All right, back to it. Okay, we're on the surface at the second floor. So this button's right there. Beautiful, man. This spot is a nice one. Okay, getting back to it. Well, I was getting a pretty loud 70, and I dug down and got this nice little D buckle. Okay, keep on going. On my way to the car, last signal, part of a harmonica reed. Okay, I'm getting ready to get out of here. See you next time.